Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel Trading Newbie, and today's video is our day 11 of our 50-day trading learning to trade series, where I'm documenting my entire trading journey from the zero to whichever level I get until day 50. Okay, so yesterday I've gone through a lot of my trades which we've done in the past, and went through all the data and stuff like that, and I realized one thing. Having a trading strategy which reduces losses is really good. At the same time, the risk, the more the possibility of the risk to take place. So if I take a trade about here and have something like that, you know, then in that case, I would get a huge profit if I do, but then I would lose. There's more chance of losing. If I put it like that, there's less chance of losing, but there's more chance of winning. So it all depends upon you, whether how you want to trade. But I think that this is the way I would like to trade. I don't want to do hedging anymore. So I've been into I've gotten a lot of second thoughts on the strategy, and I decided that I don't want to do the hedging strategy anymore because it's just a way of losing money. Because if you were advanced, if I had a lot of knowledge, and if I had at least like 2, 3, 4, or 6 months of experience on this, then I wouldn't need to worry about that. But now I do not have much experience. So what I'm gonna do is, in this series, after day 50, all I'm gonna do is work on the first strategy. Make one trade in one day and take a profit. If you don't, then you can make 2 trades or 3 trades based on how many you want. We'll talk about the risk and all that stuff, the management of the account, trading account, and stuff like that later on, because that's not currently our priority, because that is the priority when we start, when we're really close to actually putting in our real money. So over here, today, I'm not gonna do any trading. I've just been thinking about this for a long time today. I've decided that no more hedging. I'm overcomplicating things, and I've been thinking that I was overcomplicating until I got suggestions and comments from people on the video which I've recently uploaded, the day 10. So if I go to my Google account. So yeah, on this video, I've gotten a advice that to learn price action, candle patterns, chart patterns, etc. But before talking about what I should learn, let me just explain show you guys what I've already learned until now. So yeah, first I've seen what is forex trading. The forex market, stock market, and the various types of financial instruments and stuff like that. How to actually make money, and the mindset and the mental thing which you need to have to be able to make money. And then I learned about market structure, where it's just higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows, bullish, bearish, basically uptrend, downtrend, consolidation, and transitions. And then we have our next concept, which is support and resistance levels. It's basically the price bounces off between these two levels. And then there is our trading within the trend, where with the trend, so always, if the overall trend is bullish, you should always take a long position. And then there is our trend line. So I've seen, like, if the graph is like that, and then we should draw a trend line like that. And also the trend line is only makes sense if there are more than 2 points, more than 3 or more points which touch the trend line. And then obviously our most important topic, Japanese candlesticks. So this is like probably the best thing. This is like I would say a boon given to all the traders, the candlesticks, because the amount of data you can get from this is absolutely insane. You can see the open price, close price, the highest price, the lowest price, and so you can also see how the market's going to go in the future by looking at a few candles. So if the candle is like that with a huge wick, it's probably, and if the candle is like that with a huge wick, then there's a candle like that with a huge wick. There's a candle like that with a huge wick, and there's a candle like that with a huge wick. We know that in the future it's gonna go up. So the next candle could be something like it would go all the way up. So it would be like that. So it would be a huge candle. So that is something which is really important, which I really find it useful, and I've learned about candlestick patterns. Um, so you see, these are like all the things which are there. The main thing which I use is this one, the bullish engulfing, which is this one, and the bearish engulfing, which is this one. um, and then obviously these all are like a lot others, but I generally don't remember these. I just analyze and try to get to a conclusion which will give me what I have right here. So if I look at this, I would be like, the price is going up, down, and up. So maybe there is more lower pressure, and there's like a huge, there's more selling pressure. So when the graph is around there, and the candlestick is more higher, there's high selling pressure, and then there's a huge um, buying pressure, which took the price up even after all that stuff. So yeah, this is what I learned, this candlestick patterns, and then I've looked at chart patterns, obviously, which is really important. So it's just where how the chart would go, or maybe it would go like that or that. So basically, yeah, again, in this I just have four most important things: the bearish double tap, the bearish head shoulders, the bullish double bottom, and the bullish inverted head shoulder. These are the four things which are important for me, which I only focus on. And then we have our multi-time frame. So what is the multi-time frame? What are the various time frames and stuff like that? And then I've learned about supply and demand flip zones, which is like probably I think the most important part. Before learning this, I've learned about where is that? Yeah. So yeah, this is the order. So I've learned supply and demand zones, and then I've learned the flip zones, and then I learned about the top-down analysis. So what is it? How do you use various time frames to analyze your charts? And then I learned about order blocks. So this is basically where we have our. This is I just find it really similar to, um, the supply and demand levels, zones. And then we have our final trading strategy, which we spoke about, as you can see here. This is the one which I've just spoke about. And then again, we saw when to trade, the various sessions and stuff like that. And then I've seen about, these are like the stuff which I made in the YouTube video. Anyways, this is all I had. This is all I learned. If you think I missed anything, please let me know in the comments box so that I can focus on it very well. Yeah, so again, we are on our backtesting process, and today I'm not going to do any trades because evening I need to go to order something which I really love, which happens to be a motorcycle. So I need to be able to pay for that. So I'll just hope that trading would help me do that. Maybe instead of my weekly $100 or $200 earnings, I would maybe make it 400 or 600, which would be really nice. But yeah, not having too much hopes, or being greedy and stuff like that. That is it, guys, for today. Today isn't much. We've just looked at our charts and stuff like that, and again, here are a few trades which I've gone through yesterday as well, which I've made up, and right now I just saw that the trades were profitable. Anyways, that is it, guys, for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where I'm gonna do a lot and a lot and a lot of live trading. So we're gonna start off in the morning. We're gonna wake up, take trades, and leave it, do my shift, go to Mckissen or McDonald's, what do you like to call it, and do my shift, and come back and see what's happened, and again make 2 or 3 more trades based on that. So yeah, that is it, guys, for today. Thank you so much for watching and all the support you guys given me, especially in the first, second, third videos. Let me show you guys as well real quick. So all the videos you see, I've gotten like 275 views, 230 views, 250 views, 182 views, 57, 56, and this one's just started up. But yeah, the number of views I'm getting is absolutely insane for what I thought I would. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and in The next video, we are obviously going to do a lot of trading and focus, because tomorrow I have no shifts, so I can sit the whole day and start analyzing the charts. So that is it, guys, for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and keep trading and become profitable with me. Let's do this together. Bye bye.